Glass internal doors, the pros and cons. Dear friends, when it comes to interior design, the choice of internal doors plays a significant role in the overall look and feel of your home. Glass internal doors have gained popularity for their aesthetic appeal, ability to create open, airy spaces, and their role in allowing natural light to flow through your living spaces. However, it's important to consider both the advantages and disadvantages of using glass for internal doors to make an informed decision. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of glass internal doors, helping you determine if they are the right choice for your home. The advantages of glass internal doors. Let's begin by exploring the advantages of using glass for internal doors. Natural light. Glass doors allow an abundance of natural light to flow through your home, reducing the need for artificial lighting and creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. Visual connectivity. Glass doors create a sense of connection between rooms, making your living spaces feel more open and spacious. Aesthetic appeal. Glass internal doors can enhance the overall design of your home, adding a touch of modern elegance. Versatility. Glass doors are available in various designs, including clear, frosted, and textured glass, allowing you to choose a style that suits your interior. Easy maintenance. Glass doors are relatively easy to clean and maintain, making them a practical choice for busy households. The disadvantages of glass internal doors. While glass internal doors offer many advantages, it's essential to be aware of the potential disadvantages. Privacy. Glass doors do not offer the same level of privacy as solid doors. Depending on the type of glass used, people may be able to see into the room, which can be a concern for some homeowners. Maintenance. While glass doors are relatively easy to clean, they can show fingerprints and smudges more easily than solid doors, requiring more frequent maintenance. Sound insulation. Glass doors may not provide the same level of sound insulation as solid doors, which can be a consideration if you value a quieter living environment. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.